Do you want your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra to suggest new lock screen design automatically? Let me show you how to use the suggest feature. First, tap and hold an empty area on your home screen. Tap Wallpaper and Style. Then tap the lock screen preview. At the bottom left, tap the suggest icon. Your phone will generate several suggested lock screen design based on your current wallpaper. For example, it may apply a different clock style, add a colored frame, or change the layout and visual effect. Swipe through the suggestion to preview each one. If you like to see a completely new set of ideas, tap the suggest icon again. When you find one you like, tap apply. Then tap done at the top right to save it as your new lock screen wallpaper. This is a quick and easy way to refresh your lock screen without customizing everything manually. As a note, the suggest feature is only available when your current wallpaper is a photo from your gallery or a Creative Studio wallpaper. It is not available with wallpaper types such as generative wallpaper, weather, graphical, colors, dynamic lock screen, or Samsung Global Goals. And that's how you use wallpaper suggestion on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.